Hi, everybody. We will be teaching both in person at Orchard Hills specials and also virtual specials for some of the grades there as well. And so this is an introduction of who we are and what we're teaching and a little bit about ourselves. And we are very excited to be back for the 2021-2022 school year. And we'll kick off with Miss Sammy.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm looking forward to teaching art to you this school year. We're going to do a lot of awesome projects. I hope you're ready. So we're going to be drawing, painting, we're making sculptures, different types of three-dimensional art. I'm actually sitting by some of my own artwork. I'm sitting by one of my paintings at home right now, and there's a drawing kind of far away that I made with chalks. So I like to do art in my free time. I'm also a yogi. I go to Lifetime Gym a lot, and I like working out. I like lifting weights and doing yoga. So I actually thought about being a physical education teacher. But art is my first love. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope you're ready. So take care.
Hi, boys and girls. I am Mrs. Wollstonecroft, and I am the media specialist here. Being a media specialist, I get to teach technology. We get to work with robots. We get to work with computer programs. We have fun games. We do some coding. We work with Google. We do all kinds of fun stuff. Plus, I get to send home cool books with you. And like Mr. Smith said, we are teaching both in person and virtually, and we will be doing most of the same things with the virtual students. A little bit about myself. I am married. My husband and I have 3 kids that are all in college. I also went to Novi schools. I graduated from Orchard Hills and went through all the schools all the way up until Novi High School. All 3 of my kids also went through Novi High School. And I have been in the district for 11 years teaching, and overall I've been teaching for 14 years. I will see you next week. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.
Hello, virtual students. My name is Jeremy Bond. I'm the music teacher. I'll be your music teacher this year. In music, we sing songs, we play games, and we usually play instruments. Doing that virtually might be a little challenging, but we're going to do our best. We are definitely going to be playing the recorder, so get ready for that challenge. It'll be very, very interesting. A little bit about myself. I also have 3 kids, but they're not in college. My kids are 6 years old, 3 years old, and 7 months old. So if I look tired, there's a reason. I look forward to getting to know you guys. Some of you I may know from your time at Orchard Hills, where I teach music. Most of you I may have never met in my life. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and to being the best teacher that I can be for you this year.
Thank you, Mr. Bond. And my name is Mr. Smith. I am the physical education teacher here at Orchard Hills, and that's what I will be teaching you virtually as well. I have been teaching, this will be my 15th year and my 9th year in Novi schools. I also am a Novi graduate. I grew up and went to Village Oaks Elementary School. So I am very familiar with Novi, and I've been an athletics coach in the district for many years as well. We will be exercising as much as we can, providing as much movement and play opportunities for our students, while also incorporating a lot of activities and games that we can do at home with household materials. So it's really exciting what we can do asynchronously with our virtual specials education for all subjects, really. So a little bit about myself. Like I said, I'm a Novi grad. My wife is a 4th grade teacher, Mrs. Smith, at Orchard Hills as well. And we just had our first child this past summer, the weekend right after school got out. And so my son Connor is 11 weeks old right now. And our summer has just been full of spending lots of time with our little one and being first-time parents. So welcome back for the 2021-2022 school year. We are looking forward to this unique and special opportunity of being your virtual specials teachers. And we look forward to getting to know you and meeting you virtually and communicating with you as much as we can through the system. So welcome back. We are excited to be your teachers. We'll see you soon.